Struggling to find makeup tips that truly work for mature skin? You're in the right place. I know how challenging it can be to find the right products and techniques as we age, so in this video, I'll be sharing essential makeup advice tailored specifically for women over 50. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, loss of elasticity, or just want a fresh, youthful look, I've got you covered. And be sure to stay until the end, because I have a special tip that will revolutionize how you do your makeup routine. All right, ladies, let's dive right in with step 1, skincare prep. This is an absolutely crucial step. You know, makeup is only as good as the skin underneath it. It's like painting a canvas. You want it to be smooth and well prepared. So, start with a clean slate by cleansing your skin with a gentle cleanser. Cleansing removes impurities and gives your skin a fresh start. After cleansing, it's time to moisturize. I can't stress enough how vital hydration is, especially as we get older. Our skin tends to lose moisture, so we need to replenish it. I recommend a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. It's fantastic for retaining moisture and plumping up the skin. Apply it while your skin is still damp. Yes, you heard that right. This little trick helps lock in moisture and makes your skin feel soft and supple. It's like giving your skin a big drink of water. Now, let's talk about primer. If you haven't added a primer to your routine, it's time to do so. A primer acts like a bridge between your skincare and makeup. It smooths out the skin, minimizes pores, and creates a perfect base for your foundation. Personally, I love a primer with a subtle glow because it adds a bit of radiance to the complexion. It's like having a soft focus filter on your face. Who wouldn't want that, right? Let's move on to step 2, foundation and concealer. This is where we create that flawless base. I always say that a lightweight foundation is your best friend. Look for one that's hydrating and provides sheer to medium coverage. We don't want to mask our skin. We want it to breathe and shine through. Remember, we're enhancing, not hiding. Now, onto the concealer. This little gem isn't just for under the eyes. Use it to cover any blemishes, redness, or dark spots. It's your secret weapon for creating an even complexion. Choose a concealer that's easy to blend. A quick tip for applying concealer: use your ring finger to blend. It's gentle and applies the right amount of pressure. Just tap, 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 and let the product melt into your skin. And don't forget to set it with a light dusting of translucent powder to keep it from creasing throughout the day. Moving on to step 3, enhance the eyes. Brows are the frame of the face, and they play a crucial role in your makeup look. As we age, our brows can become sparse, but don't worry. A brow pencil or powder can make a world of difference. It's all about creating a natural arch that lifts the face. Choose a brow product that's close to your natural hair color. We want soft, natural-looking brows that enhance our features. And if you're unsure about the shape, just follow the natural line of your brow. I promise, your face will look more lifted and defined. Now, on to eyeshadow. Here's where we can have a bit of fun, but we're keeping it classy and sophisticated. Stick to neutral tones like soft browns and taupes. These shades add depth without overpowering your eyes. Apply a lighter shade on the lid and a slightly darker shade on the crease to create a natural, lifted look. And remember, matte and soft shimmer are your go-to textures. They won't emphasize fine lines, and they give a beautiful, subtle glow. Avoid overly glittery or bold colors, as they can emphasize wrinkles. Now, a quick note on eyeliner and mascara. I've decided to skip these for today's look, but if you love them, go ahead and add them to your routine. A soft eyeliner and a touch of mascara can definitely enhance the eyes. Just remember to keep it subtle. Let's move on to step 4, add color to cheeks. Blush is such a game changer for us mature women. It adds life and vibrancy to the face. You can use a cream or powder blush, depending on your preference. I personally love cream blush for its natural, dewy finish, but powder blush is also a great option for a more matte look. Choose a soft pink or peach blush. These colors complement mature skin beautifully. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend upward towards the temples. This technique lifts your face and gives you a lovely glow. It's like giving your face a little facelift without the surgery. Start with a small amount and build it up if needed. And if you feel like you've applied too much, just go over it with your foundation sponge to tone it down. It's all about balance. Moving on to step 5. Define the lips. Lips tend to lose definition as we age, but with the right techniques, we can bring back that youthful fullness. It's amazing what a little lip color can do to brighten your entire face. Start with a lip liner. This is a crucial step that often gets overlooked. A good lip liner can work wonders by preventing feathering and giving your lips a nice defined shape. I recommend choosing a nude or natural shade that closely matches your lip color. This makes it versatile enough to use with any lipstick shade you choose. Next, fill in your lips with a hydrating lipstick. As we age, our lips can become drier, so hydration is key. Look for formulas with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter or vitamin E. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Soft pinks, mauves, or corals are fabulous choices because they add a touch of color without being too overpowering. A swipe of lipstick in a flattering shade can truly enhance your entire look. And don't forget to blot. After applying your first layer of lipstick, gently press a tissue against your lips to remove any excess product. Then apply a second layer for extra staying power. This two-step process helps set the color and ensures it lasts longer, which is perfect for those days when you want your makeup to stay put from morning to night. Here's a question for you. What lipstick shades do you find most flattering for mature skin? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and maybe even try out some new shades myself. Now for the bonus tip. Ladies, the secret sauce to keeping your makeup fresh all day is using setting spray. A good setting spray locks in your makeup, giving your skin a natural, radiant glow that lasts from morning to night. Think of it as a protective shield that keeps everything in place, preventing your makeup from settling into fine lines or sliding off throughout the day. I can't tell you how many times a setting spray has saved me during long days out or special events. To apply, give the bottle a shake. Hold it about 8 to 10 inches from your face and spritz in an X and T motion. Make sure to cover the entire face for even distribution. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the mist set your makeup beautifully. It's like giving your skin a refreshing drink of water. Trust me, once you start using a setting spray, you'll wonder how you ever did without it. Remember, makeup should be fun, and it's all about enhancing the beautiful features you already have. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one on how to be more beautiful after 50.